A lot of people have been asking me how to set up a radar on a motorcycle, and so in this video that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, is showing you guys how to set it up step by step and give you all the details you need to do so and all the parts you will need to fit the radar. So the three items you will need to purchase are the radar itself, the electrical wiring that's required, and also a way to mount the radar. I'll give you guys a couple different options for the mounts as well, depending on your type of handlebar that your bike has. For my radar, I'm using the Uniden R8. This is one of the best radars that you can buy on the market at this time. The one drawback of this is that it's not waterproof. It is designed for a car. That's the one massive drawback for motorcycles, is that we don't have a decent dedicated motorcycle radar. There are a few out there that are waterproof, but they're really just not that reliable or user friendly either. So I'd suggest sticking to one of these radars. As for the radar mount, I've opted for the Quadlock fork stem mount. This is the best option for the type of bike that I have, but as for my Ducati, I've opted for the Ram magnetic mount with a swivel adjustment arm. Now the wiring that you need is probably the most difficult part in choosing the correct one. I opted for the Uniden hardwire kit. This kit includes enough wire to reach the entire length of the bike. It has a mute box that's installed and also comes with a fuse. Whether you chose to buy this one or make your own one, the main things is that you need is that the wires have a positive and negative. A fuse is quite critical, and also that it's an Ethernet attachment point that will fit your radar. So to get started, we'll need to get the access to the battery. This is where you'll add your positive terminal and also your negative terminal. In my case, the battery is located directly under the seat, but some bikes it's in a different location, so that's something you'll have to find out on your own. Once you have access to your battery, you will need to add the positive terminal to the positive lead and the negative terminal to the negative side. If you don't want to fit it to the negative, you can put it on any metal component on the bike. This acts as a ground as well, so that will be fine. Now that this is connected, you will need to find a route that the wires can go through to get to the front of the bike where you need to connect your radar. In my case, you can see I've removed a few panels from the side, as well as hiding the wire under the fuel tank, and then going under that front panel. It'll be different for every single bike, that's just something you'll have to find out on your own. As you can see with the hardwire kit that I bought from Uniden, it comes with that mute box at the front. This is quite cumbersome, but if you find a good location like I have to sit it in, you can still reach the mute button, as well as it can also show the light reflecting on the LED display, which means that if I do miss an indication, I can look down at that and see if the light's gone off. Once you have found a good place to hide your wires, go ahead and put all your panels back on and double check that the radar wires are connected properly, as well as that the radar operates as it should.